Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling virtualization, because emulation needs hardware acceleration to run Play Store apps smoothly. First, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and turn on Intel VTX or AMD V. This reduces stutter and improves battery use. Once done, in Windows, install Windows Subsystem for Android through optional features, or choose a reputable Android emulator if on macOS or Linux. Make sure to allow virtualization drivers and reboot again so the system recognizes the change. You now install the subsystem layer that hosts Play Store apps. On Windows, use Windows Subsystem for Android plus Amazon App Store, or on an emulator sideload Google Play Services for full access. Once the environment is running, open the Android settings panel and add your Google account so the Play Store recognizes purchases and syncs apps. Make sure to grant storage and network permissions when prompted. Without those, you won't download or run apps reliably. After signing in, update Play Services and restart the Android environment. You finish by opening the Play Store, searching for the app, and installing it just as you would on a phone. Launch and test basic features to confirm functionality. If an app won't install or crashes, first restart the subsystem or emulator. This clears transient errors. If problems persist, clear the Play Store cache in Android settings and verify virtualization is still enabled in BIOS. Outdated drivers or disabled acceleration are common causes. Finally, update the emulator/subsystem to the latest build to resolve many compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.